Hi, my name is Jim Tenbrick. I'm the co-founder of Encoris, and my goodness, do we have something exciting to unpack for you today. And guys, this explains everything we are as a company, as being innovative. This prominent spine company spent 4 years through using multiple vendors and a lot of wasted time and money. Unfortunately, it still could not achieve the objective. And when they called on to our company, we were able to understand what it was they needed and developed a solution for them in 6 months. But anyway, without further ado, let me show you this. This happens to be one of the most sophisticated medical trainers that we've ever developed. It's for spinal deformity correction. And it has only 2 consumables, and this is so key to our development process. We hate waste. So you have this beautiful skin that incisors well and holds the instruments. And it's replaceable by just removing it, and then you just snap it back on. It's that simple. But what is really important here is the crown jewel, and that is these replaceable vertebral body chiclets. So what they do is, given the provided platform, is they're able to pound their advanced pedicle screws in and then drive the technology. And once that's in place, they pull out the platform and they're able then to correct over and over and over again. So this is our flex bone technology. So all of this is rubber, but what you have is the workshop bone element that we've incorporated to help them achieve their objectives. It radiopaques well. So it's just incredible. So you have just these 2 consumables where they were spending, I'd say, hundreds of dollars on these trainers, that were lackluster in anatomical design. It was a crapshoot because they didn't know what they were going to get. It impeded their device. Here we're able to then provide something very sophisticated that allowed them to do everything they wanted to do successfully, and at a fraction of the cost, because these chiclets, where they were spending dollars, just cost pennies to replace. So very efficient in every single way. And what's exciting is, as we speak, these are launching all over the world, and you want to talk about a CEO that's now excited, doing backflips, because they're able to showcase their technology where they couldn't do that before. So anyway, guys, 2025 is very exciting, and we can't wait to show you what we have in store for the new year.